Hi, I'm Dr. Henry Cloud. And you know what? We're all aware of the incredible challenges that our youth and students of today are facing. Many, in fact, the vast majority in places, they can't even read or do math at their grade level. We're seeing low attendance. We're seeing problems in so many kids not graduating. We're seeing a lot of times where, and this is one of the most disheartening parts of it, they have no positive vision for their future. And then lastly, they graduate high school really ill prepared for even the next year and what they're going to do. Well, I am happy to be involved with Elevate, having found an organization that's addressing these challenges in some very, very significant ways with astounding results. Elevate was founded over 40 years ago. It works in 20 cities and communities, and this year they will affect the lives and change the direction of life for 12,000 students. What excites me most about the Elevate program as a psychologist when I first learned about it and began to see and study what they're doing, we hear a lot of organizations that do great things, but Elevate gets incredible results, and I can tell you as a psychologist and a leadership and performance consultant, the reason it works is it's founded on the very evidence-based scientific reasons of how behavior and futures and results actually work. I would explain it this way. Anytime you're trying to change the trajectory of someone's performance and their direction and new behaviors, there's some critical elements that have to be present. Now, I don't know if Elevate knew this when they put it all together, but whoever did it has done those four ingredients in incredible ways. First of all, there's got to be information. If somebody's going to change direction or do something different, they've got to learn what it is I'm trying to do. I got to be aware of what the issues are, what the skills are. Number two, I can't just go to a workshop. I've got to be in real life with focused attention on those skills and what's needed. Thirdly, in real life, now that I know it and now I'm focusing on it, I've got to have deliberate practice of doing those new skills and learning those new behaviors. And then fourthly, we got to have relational support. We can't do this in a vacuum. Now, the thing about Elevate is it is designed exactly that way. They train and they hire and they pay teachers to go into the schools, and they teach courses and they become part of the students' regular student life. But that's only half of what they do. Then these same soldiers go out and they become mentors and guides outside of the classroom in life for these students. They come alongside them and they expose them to new opportunities, new things they've never seen before, the way the world works. They connect them to networks. They connect them to people who are doing incredible things, and students get to see what they can envision one day becoming themselves. And then they begin to build the skills that are going to be needed to pull that off. They're basic life skills that a lot of students are never exposed to, that they're going to need to go land a job, to be successful in a career or a career path. Elevate's mentors come alongside these kids and they keep this going. And you know what? It doesn't end when they're out of school. These networks of mentors stay connected and they come alongside these kids after they're students, continuing to drive them towards the desired future that they now have in their hearts. It's an incredible, incredible work.